Hey guys, I'm out here working on old red today. I lost oil pressure yesterday while I was driving. Shut it down pretty quick. Don't seem like it hurt anything. But I pulled the oil pump off because I was figuring, well, maybe the intermediate shaft broke. Oil pump just decided to tear up or whatever. So I got to looking for it, or pulled the oil pump off. Had oil in it, but pulled the oil pump off and I don't know what you don't see that, but it's got some scuffs on it and stuff. Yeah, this is the bypass valve, the oil pump. But it still looks pretty good. It's not cracked or broke. There was a little bit of trash on it around the seat here. Can you see that? Around that seat. But so clean that out. Looks like I might need to clean just a little more around that flute. But I don't think that hurt anything. Got the spring. Spring looks good. But I took some brake cleaner and cleaned up all in here. See if I can get that focused. But yeah, I cleaned up all in there, and there was some trash that came out. Still some trash down in there I gotta clean out. Spray that down again. But yeah, I'm hoping this was my issue. I just got some trash in my bypass valve, and it opened up just enough, and it wouldn't let the truck pressurize in oil. So hopefully I can get all this stuff, finish cleaning it up, get the gunk out of it, and get it put back together, and Red will be back on the road. But I just want to give a quick update on Red. I know a few people seen the video yesterday about lost oil pressure, but I think this might fix it. If not, well, I gotta pull the pan and see if the pickup's plugged up. That would be the next one. And if that's not it, well, I spun a bearing and it's not knocking yet. And that's going to be a real bummer because I was not ready to rebuild the motor in Red yet. I was thinking this winter, build it into a 428 stroker. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later and I'll give you updates.